Yeah.
Okay, alright you guys. Now we are near the campfire. So, how's your feeling now?
Feeling is good. Right now we are doing 불멍.
불멍. Yeah. What does 불멍 mean? What does 불멍 mean?
Staring into the fire, thinking about nothing.
Yeah. Evacuate.
That's right.
So this is we're gonna try 쫀드기. Very
쫀드기, yep.
very Korean traditional. Not traditional. They have modern times, but my father's generation.
Looks like a pumpkin.
Looks like pumpkin.
Looks like pumpkin.
What usually is in Western culture?
Like when we're around the fire,
Yeah.
we'd be toasting marshmallows,
Marshmallow.
making them black, and then after we get sick of eating marshmallows, we throw marshmallows at each other, then they melt onto your face, and it's
Alright, this is Korean culture. Instead of marshmallow, we got 쫀드기.
쫀드기 marshmallow.
Yeah, we'll see how it tastes like.
Let's try.
Alright, let's try. We're gonna open 쫀드기. It's now open it.
쫀드기 천재.
쫀드기 천재. Yeah.
What is it made of?
I don't know, maybe corn
Oh, okay.
or some grain. I don't know which grain.
Okay, I've made one.
Yeah.
Alright.
자,
Cheers, bro.
자, 쫀드기를 이렇게 불에다가 구워서 I don't know how to we don't have tongs, so you just burned it?
It'll work. Mine's a little bit burned.
Yeah, me too.
Let's try.
Yeah, let's try, and we'll talk about how it tastes, right?
Two 쫀드기.
Yeah.
Not bad. Tastes kind of like candy. And here by the fire is about 1,000 degrees. We're going to die soon.
Right.
Now it's
I
barbecue
think burning
쫀드기.
enough? Yeah, just let's see, a little bit. How's it?
Oh, now it tastes like burnt marshmallow.
Burnt
Marshmallow. Yeah.
So,
It's so hot here.
quite similar to Western culture, like.
Really?
Yeah.
Toasted in the fire. Let's eat it. Awesome.
Let's try it. 쫀드기. The fire. Everything gets burned by fire, and it is not this sweet.
No.
Yeah.
It's really good. I could eat this whole thing.
It's quite
Except
good.
We already ate like 2 kilos of gogi, but
Yeah.
kind of corn plus marshmallow plus I don't know, something else.
Some kind of weird taste.
A little bit like corn chips, something like that.
Corn chips, yeah.
Potato chip.
And some grain
Grain.
inside. I don't know what ingredients were used for,
Maybe
but
rice.
yeah, ricey taste.
And sweet, sugary.
Yeah.
Oh, a little bit sugary. It's good. I give it 7.5 out of 10.
Out of 10. Go.
And it's good snack after drinking too.
Oh yeah. Try this for the next time, bros.